Have you ever wondered if there's a place on Earth where the clouds touch the ground, where you can literally walk through the sky? Well, today, I'm taking you to a kingdom hidden in the northern highlands of Vietnam, a place where mountains breathe, and the earth itself sings ancient songs. This is Sapa, the misty realm of legendary terraces, vibrant cultures, and gentle mountain souls. Trust me, what you're about to see will make you question everything you thought you knew about natural beauty. Stay with me, because this journey might just change the way you see the world. In the heart of Sapa lies the Magunho Valley, home to some of the most spectacular terraced fields on the planet. These aren't just fields. They are a masterpiece sculpted over centuries. Forget heavy machinery, these steps were carved into the mountainside by generations of hands, by families who understood the rhythm of the land. In the spring, when the fields are flooded with water, they shimmer like 1,000 shattered mirrors reflecting the sky. Come summer, they transform into a vibrant, glowing emerald green, a lush carpet draped over the rolling hills. But it's the harvest season that truly takes your breath away. The terraces become waves of liquid gold, dancing and rippling under the gentle highland wind. Each layer tells a story of hard work, of community, and of a deep, unbreakable connection between people and nature. It's a living, breathing work of art that changes with the seasons, always offering a new kind of beauty. But Sapa's soul isn't just in its landscapes, it's in its people. The highlands are home to several ethnic groups, and among the most prominent are the Achemang people. Each morning, as the mist rolls through the valleys, SIMO women emerge, their figures wrapped in deep indigo cloth, dyed by their own hands. You can hear the soft, melodic ringing of their silver jewelry as they walk, a sound as much a part of Sapa as the wind itself. Their hands are never still. They dye, they weave, they stitch intricate patterns into their clothing, each symbol, each color telling a story passed down through generations, a story older than memory itself. These textiles are not just crafts, they are a living library of their culture. In the quiet villages, smoke rises from traditional wooden homes, children play with infectious smiles, and life moves at a pace dictated by the seasons, not by the clock. Once a week, the quiet highland air erupts with sound, color, and energy. This is the mountain market, a vibrant gathering where the entire region comes alive. It's loud, it's bright, it's chaotic, and it's absolutely full of life. This is where communities from scattered villages converge to trade, socialize, and celebrate. You'll see red Dao women, distinguished by their ornate red headdresses, trading fragrant herbs and medicinal plants foraged from the forest. Achemang families bargain over livestock, their conversations a lively mix of dialects, and for travelers, it's a sensory explosion. The smell of grilled meats and sticky rice fills the air, alongside the earthy aroma of mountain spices. You can taste flavors here that carry the very soul of the mountains, and find hand-woven crafts that you won't see anywhere else in the world. The market is the pulsating heart of Sapa, a place of connection and community. To truly experience Sapa, you have to walk its paths. Trekking here is like stepping directly into a traditional inkwash painting. The trails win their way up the mountains, sometimes vanishing completely into a thick blanket of fog, only to re-emerge moments later, revealing a breathtaking valley carved by millennia of wind and water. Every step uncovers another secret. You might round a corner and find a powerful waterfall hidden behind a grove of whispering bamboo. Or perhaps you'll stumble upon a quiet village, seemingly untouched by time, resting peacefully on a distant hillside. The ultimate reward is witnessing the sea of clouds, an unbelievable spectacle where clouds roll over the peaks like a slow-motion ocean, filling the valleys below you. It makes you feel like you're standing on an island in the sky, completely removed from the world below. If you're interested in planning your own trek or want to know the best routes and local guides we used, I've put together all the details and links for you in the description below. It has everything you need to start your own Sapa adventure, and towering above it all, watching over the entire region, is Phansip, known as the Roof of Indochina. It's the highest peak in Vietnam, and reaching its summit is an unforgettable experience. Whether you challenge yourself with a multi-day trek or take the breathtaking cable car ride that glides over the valleys, The view from the top is celestial. When the sun finally breaks through the dense clouds, it illuminates the world in a way that feels almost spiritual. It's as if the entire world below is still asleep under a soft white blanket, and you alone are awake, standing on the very top of the world, in the quiet majesty of the sky. There's something magical about Sapa. Time seems to slow down here. The cool, misty air clears your mind, and the sheer scale of the landscape softens your heart. When you stand on a ridge and watch the clouds drift by, it feels like the mist is carrying your thoughts far, far away. You leave a piece of yourself in these mountains, but you also take a piece of them with you. When you leave Sapa, the mountains remain. The terraces keep their golden hue, and the clouds continue to wait, promising a silent welcome for your return. What part of this journey called to you the most? Was it the golden rice terraces, the vibrant culture, or the feeling of walking above the clouds? Let me know in the comments below. If you felt inspired by this trip to the Misty Mountains, please give this video a like and subscribe for more adventures into the heart of our beautiful world. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next journey.